Hey everyone, Treasures of Desire here. We will be doing a new sticker release in about 5 days. These are some stickers that will be featured in our release. The release will be done on the April 15th. This sticker here is called Fey Magic. It's the fairy captured in a bottle. This is Under the Sea. This is a magical kitten. This is Goddess Hecate. This is a honeybee. This is a tree with crows. This is a dark rose. This is just a blue flower. This is another flower. And this says plant parent. Again, these will be released on April 15th, 2024 on my shop, www.treasuresofdesire.shop. Right, until next time. Bye.